Subscribe and download over 1 million code snippet including this tutorial from codegive.com, link in the description below. The Python imaging library, PIL, now known as the Pillow library, is a powerful library for image processing tasks in Python. In this tutorial, we will guide you through the process of installing Pillow and provide you with some basic code examples to get you started. If you don't have Python installed on your system, you can download and install it from the official Python website. Make sure to add Python to your system's path during the installation process. Open a terminal or command prompt on your system. This tutorial assumes you are familiar with basic command line operations. To install Pillow, you can use the Python package manager pip. Run the following command in the terminal. This command will download and install the Pillow library and its dependencies. You can verify that Pillow is installed correctly by opening a Python interactive shell. Type the following commands. If Pillow is installed correctly, you should see the version number printed without any errors. Now that Pillow is installed, let's explore some basic code examples to get you started with image processing. Replace path /to/your/image.jpg with the actual path to your image file. Replace path /to/your/image.jpg with the actual path to your image file. These are just a few basic examples to get you started. The Pillow library offers a wide range of functionalities for image processing, such as cropping, rotating, filtering, and more. Refer to the official Pillow documentation for a comprehensive guide on using the library. Congratulations! You have successfully installed Pillow and explored some basic code examples for image processing in Python. ChatGPT